Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel and my name is Arya and today I am going to tell you something about data warehousing. So in every organization, okay, so we may get data from various sources like sales department, purchase department, production department, etc. Okay, such data is stored in a system or a house called data warehousing, okay, or data warehouse. And also you can say, like, we can imagine, okay, like data warehouse like is a central repository, okay, of integrated data from different sources. So this is what the real meaning of data warehousing. And so today task is like you have to explore like what is the difference between data warehousing and data lake. Thank you for watching the video and please subscribe our channel.